Hi everyone, welcome to this week's IGTV. I'm Navreet Josan, national artist for M.A.C Cosmetics, and today I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful, simple smoky eye. So let's begin. I'm going to start with the 24-hour Smooth Wear Concealer in the shade NW35 as a base for my eyes. So I'm going to apply this with the 224 brush, and this is going to act as a nice canvas for my smoky eyes. Next, I'm going to use Teddy Eye Kohl as an eyeliner and smudge it with the 239 brush. I'm also going to go into the crease a little bit with the same color. Personally, whenever I'm working with smoky eyes, I like to work with browns first because they're much easier to work with, and then I go in strategically with black eyeshadow to create more definition. I'm picking up the product using a brush rather than using the pencil directly on my lower lash line. This is just going to give a more natural look. Using Feline Eye Kohl in my waterline, and I'm also going to tightline my eyes with this. If your kajal always bleeds, you can use a matte black eyeshadow like Carbon and press it on top of the kajal to make it more long wearing. Using Shady Santa eyeshadow with 217 brush, I'm going to apply it in the outer corner of my eye. When you're doing this, if you have a hooded eye or a fold over here, just go over it so that you can see the blended eyeshadow. And last, apply the same color on the lower lash line. Using a tiny bit of concealer with 224 brush, I'm just skimming around my eye to sort of clean the edges. Time to add some black. I'm using Carbon eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this very close to my lash line, just on the outer corner and a little bit over here. And finally, connect the black with your lower lash line on the outer corner, just so you have this nice definition. To finish the look, I'm going to use In Extreme Dimension Lash Mascara, which gives amazing volume, length and curl. It's one of my favorite mascaras. So when I'm applying this is going to go on my top and bottom lashes, and I'm going to apply this in the direction of the lashes to sort of open them up. Look at the difference between both the lashes. It's amazing. Going in with Soft and Gentle, I'm going to use this as a highlighter and apply it just underneath the tail of my brow. So those were the steps for creating this classic smoky eye. If you want to make this more glam, you can always add a shiny eyeshadow or glitter on top of it. I hope you will try this look, practice it, give it a go, and let me know how it goes. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like and let me know what you think in the comments section below. For somebody who's just started her IGTV series, it's really nice to hear your feedback and your suggestions. We'll see you in next week's IGTV. Take care. Bye-bye.